When I look at Declan, I see an amazing man, my best friend and my soulmate. Today I don't just feel like a bride, I don't feel just like a wife, I feel complete, and that's because I know I will always have Declan by my side. Declan, I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you. You're my best friend.
You are my best friend and my one true love. When I'm with you, I feel I can be the person I want to be. I cannot imagine my life without you. Today, I want to make a promise to you and to myself, in front of our friends and family, to love and honour, protect and respect you for the rest of my life. You have been my friend, my girlfriend, my fiancée, and now my wife. You are all those things and more. You are my love, my dream and my devotion.
I love you with all my heart and stand here before all our friends and family, sharing the happiest day of my life. I want nothing more than to share my future with you, my triumphs and challenges, my joys and my sorrows. Today I'm marrying my best friend. You are the love of my life and my soulmate. Thank you for loving me completely and for giving your heart to me. I give my heart to you today.
It is my privilege and pleasure to be the first one to congratulate you, tell you you are now husband and wife together. If you would like to give your wife a big passionate kiss, we'll give you a big round of applause.
I cannot put into words how beautiful you look today. Amy, I can't thank you enough for planning this amazing day for us either. I love you more than anything, and I'm so happy to be your husband. So please can everyone stand and join me in a toast to Amy.
I am yours, and you are mine, from this day until the end of my days.